Hi, my name is Vera, and I am a food corps member with the Lowell Public School System. And to celebrate this month's Harvest of the Month, we are going to make kale pesto. So the kale that we have here today is actually from Horne Family Farms, located in Londonderry, New Hampshire. So today we're making kale pesto. So the ingredients for today are going to be 1 bunch of kale, which is approximately 2 cups of kale, a cup of chopped basil, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2/3 of a cup of grated Parmesan, and then 3/4 of a cup of olive oil, and then finally 2 cloves of garlic chopped. And also don't forget salt and pepper to taste. So the first step of making the pesto is removing the stem that runs right along the kale. This is the toughest part of the kale, and we won't be adding it to our pesto. So after blending the kale pesto for 30 seconds, this is our final product. So the pesto is really great with pasta, bread, and chips. It's a really great way to celebrate this month's Harvest of the Month this November. Can I get a kale, yeah?